nagyayaya ang ngiti.
Magpa-member dito sa ating tinatawag Jollibee Kids Club. So may application form po kami dito. You can ask anybody from the Jollibee crew, bibigyan po kayo ng application form. Yung mga bata, kumuha po kayo ng application form and you will receive a Jollibee Kids Club ID. And may mga freebies po sila. So whenever you go to Jollibee, pwede kayo makaroon ng mga freebies. So, ano pang hinihintay nyo? Grab this chance and register now. Alright. Maraming salamat po sa Jollibee Parañaque City. Palakpakan po natin Parañaque City Hall, particularly. So kumain kayo doon, malapit tayo dito sa ating school after the program. Tell your parents para mapatunayan yung may freebies ka agad ang inyong application form, yung ID nyo magamit nyo agad. Okay? Maraming salamat sa iyo, Jollibee! Sige, you may have your time with Jollibee. Pa-picture, you hug him. Para paniginipan nyo mamaya.